Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. Do you pack too much for trips? Yeah, I do too. But my classy friend Sarah introduced me to compression bags. I didn't know these existed before she showed me. It is the solution to my overpacking problems. It's as simple as taking whatever size is appropriate, stuffing your stuff inside, and then using the compression zipper to minimize what you're packing. So you still can pack all the things that you wanted to, it just looks like you're bringing less. 1 week's worth of clothing fit into just 3 of these SuitedNomad bags. As you know, when you're at the airport, you could have them open your suitcase. This takes all the worry out of it. No embarrassment for them or for you. Everything is compact in this compression carrying case. It's ideal. Look how little it makes it. Also really convenient to have a little handle. So if you have to scan any part of your packed item separately, really easy to just take it out like this. And if you're a germaphobe a little bit like me, this also helps you know no one's touching all your stuff. And then use the secondary zipper to suck up to make more space in your suitcase. So you can go ahead and pack all that you wanted to pack initially. Like your favorite sweatshirt. They even included a little clear travel case for your liquids. I really appreciate their attention to detail. They have enough cubes to cover all of my wardrobe that I'm bringing, as well as the liquids that I'm packing. I also love the pop of color. Look at that. It screams ocean. So if you also would like to keep your items nice and compact and pack as much as you want to, you could probably use the SuitedNomad like I have. Hope you love it. That's my point of view.